Okay, gentlemen, looking at 113 California Coupe. This is for a good customer in Dubai. This is the last thing for his order. The rear seats done exactly as original, as you can see here. Quite a tricky seat to do. They turned out beautifully, as you can see. And we have the replacement carpet is attached. We CNC cut that panel board. It's actually not a full rectangle, it's tapered at the ends there. You see how beautifully it turned out. The ends are done this way, crudely from Mercedes, and we copy exactly as they did. Of course, you don't really see that in the car. And same with the cotton bow drill on the bottom of this. Has the zipper, and then it fits perfectly to the original shape. And most of the time these pads survive very well. The rear seats are rarely used. But anyway, we can. That's the last piece now for this California Coupe. I'm sure the customer's going to be very happy.